we usually take a step back. Forward, forward, forward. Okay, stop. Good, good, good. We haven't done this before, but because it's Valentine's Day, we're gonna. I know. Okay, you know what? Come this way.
We should make a heart.
Yeah. Okay, try to make a heart. Make a heart.
Okay, yeah. The outside goes down. Outside go down. Jaden, go. This is like that. You're going to make a heart. That's not what I'm for.
Okay, good. Okay, yeah. See, if you go like this and you guys get squished, it's kind of like a heart. Okay, stop. See, very good, Michael. Good thinking. You did make a heart.
I think this is a move.
Okay, but you know what? We need to move back a little, move forward a little bit so that we can skip around. We're going to skip around the circle.